Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So after a long time, I think I'm here with some video. So I'm also very excited as we are going to start a new playlist for AWS. Yes, you are right, Amazon Web Services. So you would like to know, right, why all of a sudden I'm just trying to start a video playlist for this one. Recently I had some opportunity to to explore AWS Cloud Practitioner exam. So for certification purpose, I just went and signed into the AWS portal, and I just walked through myself on all the white papers available on the e-learning portals, everything, whatever was available for as a learning material. I started to go through them, and as I went through, I found this to be very interesting. So I thought, okay, let me also try to give some more knowledge whatever I have acquired on this. So that's why this new playlist is here. And for this AWS, today we'll start with a kind of a small overview. So today our topic is going to be an overview about Amazon Web Services, or else called as AWS. So before we start, we need to understand the background, why this AWS is, like booming like anything, and why it's like, playing a major role in the business industry now, in the IT industry now. So if you take any business, right, already a business will be running, but if you want to implement any new ideas, you want to add some extra services, or you want to enhance, or serve large number of customers, mean, like you want to expand your business, okay, maybe any kind of business, the infrastructure, the IT resources, or any additional services, or servers, the hardware, the place, the building blocks, you need to like spend more amount of money at upfront, basically, and more time is also needed. And you have to like be very patient until everything gets settled. And you have to invest in securing things. So all this getting ready is something very difficult. After it's getting ready, connecting things with the network, the servers, or maintaining them, and making it very safeguard and secure. Those things and all, like it's going to cost huge, and it's also going to be time consuming. So there, this cloud computing helps us. So cloud computing is nothing but on-demand delivery of this IT resource or services through internet. Okay, so basically, it's all going to be related to cloud computing. So on over the internet, okay, there will be n number of resources or services which will be available for your business need. So the appropriate one, you can just take it, use it, and the payment which you pay is just for only how much you use, not for all the things. So how much we use, we have to pay. So that is called as pay as you go pricing. Pay as you go pricing model. So this cloud computing, that is what like starting from computing power, database, storage, applications, even for kind of what to say, network connectivity, or using any servers, or just to say, for example, you want to run a business in different regions, like globally you want to go and start your business, then availability of global infrastructure for setting up a business. There are like so many advantages if you take this cloud computing. And how it all started, right, long back in 2006, this Amazon started this AWS services. So it all started in 2006 here. So AWS began offering this IT infrastructure services to various business, not only, since we are mentioning IT infrastructure stressfully, it's not like related to only IT, across business lines, okay? It has started to provide offering services or resources like through the internet. Okay, now it is only commonly called as cloud computing. So as I told in the, like, in a normal traditional way, if you anybody is going to do business, at upfront you need to face huge amount of cost expenses, like, spending for the setting up of infrastructure, purchasing of servers, or network connectivity. So anything you want to set up first, you need to spend first. But here in AWS cloud, there is nothing such, like, you have to pay upfront. Like, where some special services are there where you are, allowed to pay upfront, but that too also pay as you go pricing. How much you use on demand, you have to use it, and for that only you have to pay. Say for example, you are using any Amazon web services for your business. Okay, let's take an Amazon EC2 for example, Elastic Cloud Compute. Okay, so that one you use it, and whenever this some function you define, that time it has to go on act on that. So the triggering time, and whenever it is like actually performing the particular function, that alone, that seconds or that minutes spent, that will be only calculated for the pricing. So that only the customer has to pay. And also, anything you take, it's going to be highly reliable and scalable. Here, in AWS, you take, it's automatically scaling is also there. Okay, so for example, in the initial, you reach the AWS and say, I want 100 servers for, for enhancing the business in this area. But then after asking for 100 servers and it has been there, and you have done all the setup, and once a business is running, you just see, like, only some 90 servers are needed. Then automatically the 10 servers, they'll get removed. Okay, that scale out or scale in options are available. Whereas in other case, you want to have, say, like, the need is like more, 120 servers are needed. So the auto scaling provisioning also we can do through this AWS. So like this, we can tell so many things, guys. AWS overview is nothing like, you can get to close it up in the small video. It's just an overview which I wanted to give you, so that, in future videos, we'll be covering in deeper and deeper across all the AWS services available. Okay. Though we have other playlist for this AWS certification, which I'm preparing now, I like to, deep dive in, so that, even I'm able to get some, insights on this. Also, I'm able to provide you with some good amount of information. Okay. So we'll be discussing what is availability zone, region, what are edge location. So AWS Lambda, we have CloudWatch, CloudTrail, Cost Express, so many topics are there. Everything is going to be on the way. How far I'm able to cover on this AWS, I'll try to cover. But if you are also interested to know more on this AWS, I would, like you to comment in our video section and say which are the topics you want me to cover first. So if any comments are received from our subscribers or from our viewers, okay, I'll be taking that topic for this playlist, specially, and I'll try to cover up them. If something I'm not able to get it, or, I'm not able to understand it, okay, I'll try to do the videos later. So this is how we are going to run this AWS playlist. And other viewers who are, already supporting us, thanks a lot for supporting us. Keep continuing and keep watching for, more interesting videos. And if you find this video interesting, guys, please do share it to your friends. Also, if you are new to your channel, please do subscribe and support us. Okay, thanks for watching this. All of you stay tuned. Now it's a Vicky signing off. All of you take care. Bye.